Hello, welcome. Dan the RC Man is back again for another video. Got a new RC delivered about 20 minutes ago. So it's time to do an unboxing. Let's get into it. Right. Here it is. Let's do that. Yeah, so the 2001 Richard Burns Subaru WR8 Nitro. There is a flux available if you wanted brushless, but I went for the Nitro one. So basically it's got a G 3.0 HO engine, and then you got your adjustable tune suspension, adjustable gear differentials, which has got 3 differentials in the car. So there's one at the front, one at the rear, and then a differential in the middle. Rally tyres, rally wheels. So let's open the box. I should have got a knife, but it's okay. Should have got a knife actually. Oh well. Right, well, just try and okay, so it's open now. Right, we'll turn it this way. Right, open the box, and here we go. As always, you always get a sticker sheet. You've got your manual in there, and you've got a kit card as well and all that stuff. So stickers are good. And then what's left of the sticker sheet, once they put the decals on the car, they give you the rest of it as well. So and then we got the 2.4 gigahertz receiver transmitter. So same as my other ones, which they're not bad transmitters at all. So that's that. Which is good as well. You get 8 batteries included, and then you get like Allen keys. You get a small cross driver wrench for your wheel nuts and all that stuff, and then you get a servo things and little bits and bobs in there for the car. Okay, so let's get this car out. Oh, I'll have to get a pair of scissors. Pause it from it. Stop. So we took all the wrapping off. There was massive cable ties, so we had to get a pair of scissors for that one. Looks unbelievable. Paint job is really nice. Paint job on it. It's a 1/8 scale Nitro rally car. I will do a comparison up to a 1/10 scale in a different video, so you can see the size comparison. So let's have a look underneath. So you got a aluminium chassis, for your Americans, aluminum, and then you got orange aluminum parts here, red springs, double wishbone suspension, and sway bars, which are nice and red as well. So you can get upgrades to this, so I might upgrade it to get some aluminium parts later on. So yeah, really nice looking. So you've got a center diff, and then a front diff and a rear diff as well. So pull start engine, so really nice springs on it, and it's a nice height, so we'll be doing a bit off-roading today. A braking video will be today, so stay tuned for that. Loads of you that have subscribed, thank you very much, I appreciate it. So don't miss the videos. We're going to be drag racing this, doing a tug of war, and a few videos coming up. We won't be using this body for it. I have got a different one and a different set of wheels as well, so that'll be in a video shortly. So don't miss out on videos on this car. I will be doing a tune-in video as well, so if you're looking to get one of this and you're wanting to tune it, I'll show you how to tune it as well. So thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.